This one is the Chieftain Power Plus 112 Limited with power band audio and narrow bronze metallic, which retails for $32,249. God, don't let me like this bike. It's on the engine. No, you trying to start it? Don't feel bad, buddy. I did the same thing. I think this has the bigger windshield on it. I don't feel much of a... Alright, let's push this down a little bit. I don't feel much of a difference between the 108 and the 112. I don't know what mode this is in though. It's got mufflers on it. Sounds pretty damn good. This is their equivalent of the Street Glide. I rode this in 24 and wow, that blind spot monitoring is pretty good. It detected Yanni coming up. So it feels like the fairing's a little higher. Like I feel like I'm getting less wind on me than last time, if my memory serves me right. Floorboards, it's so good to be back on you. Alright, maybe I was wrong about the power. I like this. I like it a lot. $1 million idea. Let's start a company called Blinds to Stay. Our model is we put them in your house and they stay. No, the bars aren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. Back to the old bocce spot. Memory serves me correctly. Where is he? This handles better than the one I rode in 24. It has been 2 years, but you know, remember it's got the suspension like the Challenger and stuff, so it is going to handle a lot better. Riding position, kick ass. Very comfortable as I missed second. Plenty of power. I really like the way the new Street Glide looks. If money wasn't an object, man, this Street Glide ST, that bike is kick ass. But if I was going for a Batwing and it was between this and the regular Street Glide, for my money, I'd probably do the Indian, just because of the handling and everything. I mean, your trade-off is Harley, you get more dealers everywhere, so. But this is a very comfortable bike. initial impression, not a review. A couple miles isn't good for a review. The back of this Kia, man, friggin' looks like RoboCop and a dump truck had sex. This thing is butt ugly. The K4. Look at that. Blind spot monitoring shows up on the screen too. That's cool. It's got adjustable levers.
What?
It's got adjustable levers.
What?
It's got adjustable levers. I just noticed that. I give this Chieftain Power Plus 112 a thumbs up, man. This is a dope bike. Well, I don't know, man. You know, I know what I said before about the suspension, but I really like the look of the new Street Glide, the front end, and the Road Glide. It's just, you know, you have your trade-offs, and I happen to like the way my Challenger friggin' handles. It's pretty wild for a bigger bike. Turn around every now and then, I get a little bit more. Oh, cool, a Yamaha Looter. This is comfy, man. Chieftain Power Plus Limited, thumbs up.